Hindi.
Hindi. Kami! Kami!
Ayun, yung birthday wish ko.
Iyak na yan.
Wala akong birthday wish eh.
So, ang birthday wish ni Crystal.
Ayun, basta, I'm happy that I'm serving God now. Yun lang. Wala akong wish para sa sarili ko. Lahat na yun, bahala na si Lord. And I know, yung path ko is good and perfect will because it's God's plan and it's God's will. Happy birthday to me.
Oh, once again, let's sing the last song. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go!
Thank you. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Crystal.